Now to the latest on the investigation into the death of 18-year-old Nolan Wells. Independent autopsy results commissioned by the family were announced Wednesday by attorney Ben Crump. It says that the cause of Wells' death is undetermined pending further investigation, and a red discoloration on the back of his skull was inconclusive. Wells, as you may recall, died during a July 4th boating trip with friends. CBS News legal contributor, that's Caroline Polisi, has more. She joins us at the table to discuss. Caroline, good to have you here. So the family commissioned this autopsy. The state is also working on an autopsy. The results of that are not in yet. What do you make of what they found yesterday?
Yeah, unfortunately, we're left with a lot more questions than answers, I think, today. Perhaps different questions and more refined questions, but questions nonetheless. It's important you noted, Gayle, this was an independent autopsy commissioned by the Wells' family. We're getting the results first, but there was a first autopsy performed by the Mississippi State Medical Examiner's Office. We don't have those results yet. But think about it. A second autopsy, there are going to be inherent limitations when you're second to get the body.
Why?
Not the least of which is there's 6 days has elapsed since they found his body, right? Mm-hmm. They noted that there was tremendous decomposition of this body such that they were unable to really determine if there were surface level bruises. They couldn't include or exclude those types of things. Also, you guys, the state retained the neck structures of the body, meaning
you're basically saying there was missing body
parts, which is not unusual. I can't stress this enough. This is par for the course. You don't typically get two autopsies.
That seems
right?
concerning when you first hear it.
It does sound concerning, but this is a suspected drowning death, right? So I can't stress how long these things take. Also, we haven't gotten the toxicology report back. There is no self-respecting forensic pathologist that is going to release a cause of death or a manner of death without these important pieces of information. So it's pending investigation. There are a lot of things we need to know. Not only could they not say what the cause of death was, but the manner of death as well. So
yeah, they ruled it undetermined.
Correct.
Yeah.
So could we potentially get a cause of death from the first pathologist report? I think so. Could we get a drowning cause of death? Yes. The question, though, is the manner of death. Remember, the cause of death is the how. Excuse me, the why, the medical reason. The cause, or the manner, is the context,
how
right?
Did it happen?
Was it homicidal? Was it suicidal? Was it accidental? I think we can rule out definitively some of these more obvious homicidal acts, like gunshot wounds, things of that nature. But still, so many questions.
Yeah, I was with you, Nate, when you heard that part of the body was missing.
Yeah.
That's not unusual.
No.
But I was thinking as a family member, that had to be very difficult to hear that.
Just horrendous.
And still not have an answer.
Horrendous.
Like I said, so many more questions.
Caroline, thank you so much.